Hey guys, my name's Rick. I'm gonna go ruin my car. Have you ever wondered if you could replace your lug nuts with shift knobs? Well, I have. And today, we're gonna find out. Now, before we go any further, let me explain something. In the intro, you might have thought I was talking about, an aluminum shift knob. No. We're gonna be using these Delrin shift knobs from Killer Bee. Not that it matters, but mainly just because it's the right shape and size and diameter. Now, why did this idea ever pop in my head? Well, I was sitting at my desk, and I had some shift knobs and some lug nuts sitting there, 12 by 1.25, 12 by 1.25. You look at the tapered, it's nearly identical. One problem right away, of course, it's too short. Studs are too short. The threads don't start until way up in there. That's where the ARP extended studs come in. So we're gonna get this wheel off. Gonna grab my air hammer. Gonna pop the stock studs out, throw these ones in, and we're gonna thread on some shift knobs for my lug nuts. You're pro, I pro. Air hammer. Yep. Let's get it. Got a little stud installer. All right, as you can see, we have all 5 extended studs installed. Now, what this will allow us to do is once we get the wheel on, we should, if I measured correctly, have enough room to spin on some shift knobs. Let's get the wheel mounted up. Let's see what we can do with this thing. This is so silly. Here we go. This is so stupid. I love it. I'm like getting legit nervous right now, but as I'm tightening it down, I'm like, you know what? This might just actually work. Dude, that'll hold. So normally this would be the point where I would say, make sure to torque everything to spec, but I don't think we're getting any accurate torque specs here. So I'd say, just don't do this at all. Should we just do it? Just go outside? Yeah, okay. We're gonna get some GoPros set up. I'm gonna take this thing for a spin. Rolling. All right, so first step is, I guess, just drive a little bit. Going really slow. I mean, I'd rather nothing happen like right now. I'd rather have it be a little bit more dramatic. Oh, I heard a clunk. Okay, I'm gonna get out and check it. Oh my God, those are loose. Okay, so drove about 20 feet and they're already loose. So let's do this. Got some pliers here. So we tightened them up with the pliers because they were already loose from, here, about 20 feet that way. Can we just do it? I don't know why I'm so nervous. I almost feel like I'm doing something bad, I hear it knocking again. That's a pretty slow speed turn. this point, I almost don't want to hear it. It's like 15 miles an hour right there. Let's check them one more time. Oh, it's so weird. Okay. Be right back. Okay, here we go. My boss is over there with a forklift, looking at me like I'm an idiot. And honestly, it might be good that he's got the forklift, so what do we do? I mean, do we just send it? Let's just do, I guess, I don't know. And let's do like one, might be a bad decision. Like one higher G turn. What? Rally car driver, get out of my way. That's a good sound. Weight transfer. This is kind of fun though. Yeah. You break. Oh, camera equipment. Squealing tires. Dude. I can't. And they freaking held up. I'm gonna check them one more time. They're all tight. So if you've ever wondered whether or not you can do shift knobs as lug nuts, you can. You absolutely can. I would not recommend driving on the freeway. This is like back roads only. Why am I even talking about this? Don't do this. This is stupid. Why am I even thinking like that? You don't do this type of stupid stuff. I just wanted to know if you could, in theory, put on shift knobs as your lug nuts and drive them around. You can. Just don't. End of story. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more dumb stuff like this. I got a lot of ideas in my head. So if you want to see more, let me know. And I'd be happy to make more dumb videos like this for you guys, or even fun, smart videos, if that's what we're into. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys on the next one.